everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing our first oil change on the Himalayan. We'll also be doing a valve adjustment in another video, so be sure to check that out. You're going to want to start your engine, just let it warm up 5-10 minutes. This will just help the oil flow a little bit easier. The main drain plug is a 21mm wrench. I just put a piece of cardboard underneath there to make it a little bit cleaner, that way I don't get too much oil all over the bike. These two smaller bolts are 8mm. I'll remove those so we can get access to the small filter inside here. There is a rubber gasket on the cover, so just make sure you don't lose it. And then we just want to take this filter out, take a look at it. If it's dirty, we'll clean it with some fresh oil or gas. Now your oil filter cover has 3 8mm bolts as well, and the bottom one is quite a bit longer than the top two. When you go to put it back together, make sure you put them in the correct order. I used a flathead screwdriver just to get a little bit better grip and to gently pry out the old oil filter. And when you take this out, there is a gasket, so make sure you replace it with a new one. Put a little bit of oil in the new filter, just kind of roll it around, get it all in there. The oil filter goes in with the hole towards the inside of the engine. I'm gonna put in just over 2 quarts of 15W50 as recommended by Royal Enfield. Once it's filled up, just check your oil window to check the level, and start it up and take it for a ride. There you have it. Pretty straightforward, easy do-it-yourself job on the Himalayan. The only thing I would, caution is those are aluminum heads and aluminum bolts, so just make sure you got them threaded in properly. Take it easy, don't over tighten them. Make sure you stay tuned. We're going to start doing some work on our 79 Bonneville in future videos. Thanks for tuning in.